Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn how to enable or disable startup apps. When you log into your computer, some apps starts automatically. Most of the apps start minimized or start their task at background. So let's learn how to disable or enable startup tabs. Click on Windows icon, then click on Settings. Here you have settings open. Click on Apps, then click on Startup Apps. Here is the list of startup apps. You can enable or disable. Here you can see that Microsoft Edge is enabled. It will start its task at background. Here I will disable this. Now you can enable or disable any application that starts when you log in your computer. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.